Hi everyone, my name's Katie and I'm one of the pastoral leads here at Wyke, and I also help write the tutorial scheme of work. So for our second years, for the next 2 weeks and the next half term, we're going to be looking at next steps. So for those students going to university, how to apply for student finance, also accepting firm and insurance offers, looking at accommodation and budgeting when living away from home. We understand that not all students are going to university, so we do offer alternative provision on that. Students are able to make regular one-to-one appointments with our careers team. We also have a careers page, teams page for them to access, so there's loads of support on there in terms of apprenticeships, gap years, employment, writing a cracking CV, travelling and work experience. We do focus heavily on mental health, as we know that this lockdown has been particularly difficult for our students, especially our second year students who've been through it before last year. So this is a running theme throughout our tutorials. We like to check in with our students and give them all of the support that we possibly can. We do have internal support, so we have a college counsellor. We also have a wellbeing service that students can access weekly via Teams. We have a wellbeing blog that students can access as well, and we also give students advice on external agencies such as Mind and Couth and Together All, who Wyke works closely with. Students are still offered a one-to-one appointment on a rolling basis with their tutor, where they can discuss any personal or academic concerns. And if you have any questions and you would like to speak to your son or daughter or the person you care for tutor, please do email them and they'll get back to you as soon as they can. Thank you.